Hola, it's me again, Gabriela. In today's episode, I'll talk about how a collaborative approach to conversation in Spanish helps you hesitate less and get into the natural flow of speaking Spanish. Of course, I'll show you some fun examples and a game. Have you ever found yourself in a conversation watching the words pass by in your mind? Some in English, some in Spanish, like they're running away from you and you can get out of that loop of thoughts. I know some of you freeze up and miss the momentum or don't even know how to find it. From my perspective, a big part of the issue is how we approach conversations. We have options. We could approach from a collaborative perspective, which I'll explain, or we could stick to our playbook during the conversation. I'm not going to say that one approach is better than the other, but these options will lead you down different paths. If you approach conversation with your playbook using sentences you have rehearsed a zillion times, you might be ready for answers. However, once the conversation strays from your script, you might find yourself feeling awkward and thinking, I'm in a plateau or I'm not learning, which basically anchors a negative experience to the conversation. So, how do you do it differently? Switch to a collaborative approach. We all know that the key to our species' evolution is our ability to collaborate, and maybe our thumbs. Yes, the ones that I'm always asking for to push a bit more my videos. But that's not the point. Don't forget to do it, by the way. If we approach conversation from a collaborative point of view, we will pay attention to the other person and work with their words instead of just dropping statements that suit our personal playbook. Collaboration in conversations means accepting and building. So, let me show you how a simple improv game and a fun coach can help you drop the playbook mindset and jump into a collaborative one. Let's see it. Okay, here we are. We're gonna watch this interaction with one of my students in one of our sessions, and we're gonna see how this game goes. It's super simple. First, we need to accept and build. Two simple things to do. We're gonna start with things like, let's go to Colombia. And the other person is gonna be like, yeah, let's go to Colombia and let's sleep in a tent. And the other person is like, yeah, let's go to Colombia and sleep in a tent, but let's sleep in a tent like in a boat. And the other, yeah, let's go and sleep in a boat, but a boat without bathroom, and so on, until you build up the trip together. This is our second interaction in that session because the first time we almost got eaten by polar bears. So I decided to go to a safer place. So let's see it together and I'm gonna be making a few comments about it. Un viaje divertido. Sí, vamos a Nueva York y vamos a visitar el barrio chino.
Como Chinatown, ¿no?
Sí, el barrio chino.
Sí, ok. Ay, sí, así me gusta comida de chino. No, ok. Sí, vamos a visitar barrio chino, pero tiene muchos grupos peligrosos. Sí.
Ay, Dios mío. Te encanta un problema. Contigo no voy a ir de viaje. Nunca.
Ay.
Sí. Y vamos a ir a comer cucarachas.
En la calle.
En la calle. Cucarachas fritas.
Ay, ok. Sí.
Ajá.
Sí. Podemos ir a comer cucarachas fritas.
Fritas.
Ah, sí, sí, no es fría. Sí.
No frías. Porque frías, qué asco, fritas.
O solamente fría.
Fritas no dan asco, pero frías, no.
No.
So, one of the things that I like the most about these kind of interactions and approach to conversation is like even situations that normally can be related to stressful situations, like being correct about the misspelling or about pronunciation or something that you say a bit off. Even that, it's fun, easygoing, and you can just like link a meaningful, fun interaction to something that you need to work on, like pronunciation. So it is super powerful, and I really enjoy when I see people in general just having fun in a relaxed way without all the pressure that we put over conversation. It's like all this fear and anxiety and hesitation that we sometimes get to feel, it's in a different place, because here what is the most important part is, guys, we're eating cockroach, either cold cockroaches or fried ones. So yeah, let's continue. Let's see.
Sí, ok, ya veo.
Muy bien.
Ay, sí, o no. Podremos
no.
ir a comer pizza.
Sí, podríamos ir a comer pizza, pero pizza con piña.
Sí.
Okay, I'm not a big fan of pizza with piña, so that's what I told it. That's what I said it.
Sí.
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 Sí. Okay.
Sí. Sí.
Okay.
Podemos comer la pizza con piña y sin queso.
Sin queso.
Sí.
Sí, podríamos comer pizza sin queso, pero sin Coca-Cola también.
Ay, no, no, porque Dios, no.
Te dije, no quieres ir de viaje conmigo.
Sí, pero podemos tomar el Pepsi.
Pepsi. ¿Quién toma Pepsi? So, we managed to go on a trip together, two people that don't know each other, and we managed to go on a trip together and more or less collaborate and build up the whole experience. And for me, the better part is smiles, people having fun and making this positive anchor to Spanish conversation. Because I know that we all want to have this kind of interactions in general in life, and especially in a second language. So let's go back to the other video and I see you there, guys. In conversations, we expect to share our storyline and understand others' narrative. Stories are not just part of our past. We might manage well sharing something we experienced, but stories are something that we human beings create every single day. And remember, the future can't be rehearsed, my friends. We tell stories, we consume stories in different formats, and we wish to do the same in Spanish. I know you do. So, practicing saying yes and building up the story with your partner will help you silence the censor of fear, anxiety, and hesitation in conversation. This will create a positive reinforcement loop where you will feel more at ease speaking Spanish. Well, that's enough for today. Thank you so much for watching and for all the comments, suggestions, and positive reinforcement you are giving me on the channel. It means a lot. And thank you for being part of making this channel grow. We reached our first 1,000 this week and I'm super happy about it. Gracias y chao, chao, chao.